Do you want to know the secret to making your van not look like you're delivering packages for Bezos? Well, here at Alabama Truck Outfitters, we can help you with that. Today, we have this Ram Promaster. We installed a vancompass 1.5 lift. We also did a little bit bigger tire that came on it from the factory. We went with a Toyo Open Country AT3 to give it a little bit more aggressive look. And then to make it even better on top of all that, we added a front bumper from Backwood Adventure Mods, which this one they no longer make. It's super secret sauce. So it's got a winch and then a spot for an LED light bar on there. This should get you all the looks when you're pulling into the RV park or when you're rolling up Talladega 600-1 and 600-2 in this thing, trying to find your place to camp out for the weekend.
That thing would get stuck in wet grass.
So if you're looking to upgrade your van and you don't want to be driving around looking like an Amazon delivery driver, shout out to Jeff Bezos. Love you, dog. Check out Alabama Truck Outfitters, see what we can do to your van.